Hello, I'm Rashi Goel and I'm legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I hope all of you are doing great and staying safe and healthy. So in today's video, I'll be talking about anticipatory bail. Section 438 of CRPC deals with anticipatory bail, which states that when a person has reason to believe that he might get arrested for a non-bailable offence, then he may apply to High Court or to the Sessions Court for his release on bail during such arrest. And if court may thinks fit, then he may direct the same. In a landmark case of Siddharaman Mahatre versus State of Maharashtra, the court highlighted the importance of right to life and liberty, which is guaranteed under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Section 438 of CRPC must be read in light of Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, where granting or refusing of bail must reflect a perfect balance of sanctity of any individual's interest on the society. Now, let's talk about the reasons for incorporation of provisions of anticipatory bail. So, the first reason is a right to liberty. It is guaranteed under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. It is one of the major reasons for incorporation of provisions of anticipatory bail. The court is of the point of view that since it is a fundamental right, it should not be infringed for any reason. Second is presumption of innocence. A person is innocent until proven guilty, that is beyond a reasonable doubt. This principle of criminal jurisprudence is another reason for incorporation of provisions of anticipatory bail. However, for seeking anticipatory bail, a person has to fulfill certain conditions that is given under Section 438 Clause 2 of the CRPC. So now let's talk about what are the conditions for anticipatory bail. So the first condition is that the person will be available for the interrogation as when needed. Second condition is that the person will not fly away to any other country without the court's permission. And third condition is that the person will not tamper with the evidence and will not try to induce or threaten the witnesses or the person aware of the facts of the case. Now let's discuss few judgments. First is Gurbakh Singh Sibbi versus State of Punjab 1980. In this case, the apex court held that Section 438 of CRPC must be used very sparingly and in very exceptional cases only. However, the discretion of the court to grant bail cannot be limited, just because the offence is punishable with life imprisonment or death penalty. Additionally, the court held that bail should not be limited by time. However, the court can impose reasonable restrictions on the basis of circumstances and the facts of the cases. Second is Saluddin Sheikh versus State of Maharashtra 1995. This case overruled the judgment which was passed in the case of Gurbakh Singh Sibbi versus State of Punjab and held that the grant of anticipatory bail should be limited by time. The court held that the anticipatory bail must be granted for a limited period of time and on the expiration of which the matter must be left to the regular court for decision. Last is Sushila Agarwal and others versus State, NCT of Delhi and others 2020. In this landmark judgment, the court held that the protection under Section 438 of CRPC cannot be invariably limited to a fixed time. However, depending on the facts of the cases, the court may impose certain conditions and time limit while granting bail. Additionally, the court held that the protection which is provided by an anticipatory bail does not end when the accused is summoned or charges are framed. It can continue till the end of the trial. However, if the circumstances of the case requires a fixed time limit or imposition of certain conditions, then the court can impose the same. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to let me know your feedback in the comment section. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.